Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making veggie treats for dogs. This 3-ingredient dog recipe is a healthy treat that your dog will absolutely love. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Start by peeling 1 large sweet potato. While the skins can be nutritious for humans, dogs have a really hard time digesting, so do not feed your dog the skins. Next, peel 3 beets. I have Kioja beets today from my farm box, but red beets also work. I'm also using carrots for this veggie mix, but you can also use just one of these veggies as well. Once the sweet potatoes and beets are peeled, be sure to wash all the veggies. The best way to slice these is with a mandolin. I'm using the 1/8 inch setting. If you don't have a mandolin, you can just slice these into thin slices. The thinner, the better. Once all the veggies are sliced, then add them to a large mixing bowl with 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil and 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast. You can also use extra virgin olive oil if you prefer. Both of these are great fats for dogs. Mix up the veggies to coat them in the oil and nutritional yeast completely. Line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper. Spread out the veggies onto the 2 baking sheets and ensure they do not overlap. If they are on top of each other, then they won't get crispy, so you need to spread them out. Bake at 375 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes or until they are beginning to look golden brown. Then turn the oven down to 250 degrees and continue to bake for another 30 to 40 minutes or until the chips are dry and crispy. You can remove smaller chips and leave in the larger ones a little bit longer if you need to as well. Once they are cooled, then they are ready to eat. And yes, you can also eat these too, though they might be a little bland without salt. If you're going to share these with your dog, just reserve some for you and add a little salt right after they come out of the oven. Your dog will love these homemade veggie dog treats as much as John does. For more healthy dog recipes, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join us next time in the kitchen.